Hello, good morning. Today we're talking about upper limb steeplechase. There are some things you have to know. Then I will start from the first one. Okay, these are my social media handles. You can follow me if you want. So let's go in. So now this is the hand. Yeah, questions don't come here like that. Like questions here are not like much like that. So you just have to just know the few ones you can know, because it's just like a mini revision, not like you have everything, but just like a revision. So, but then they'll ask you to kind of know the bones, like list the bones that are saying there. And you know that most of bones here are you can use this mnemonic to know them. Let me type it out. If I type it out. I'm not able to do it, but like you can use the mnemonic. Some lovers try position they cannot handle. Some lovers try position they cannot handle. Some stands for scaffold. Lover stands for lunate. Triquet Tri stands for triquetrum. Positions pisiform. That trapezium. They trapezoid. And C capitate. And then and handle is what? Hermit. This is all I can talk for the hand. So let's go to the next slide. This is also the hand. Let me go to the next one. So yeah, we are seeing the radius and the ulnar. You know that this exam they don't give you all the time you want, just limited time. So now in this question now, what are you going to do the radius and ulnar? They may just ask you first of all, what kind of joint is formed between this radius and ulnar joint? What will be your answer? Pause the video and say the answer before you continue. The answer is actually radioulnar joint, and both of them they are all pivot joints. So the next thing they might ask you is for you to identify the radial tuberosity. That may be the next question they will ask you, and this is the radial tuberosity. High thing, this is the radial tuberosity. They may also ask you, like they may label this thing and ask you what is the name. You have to just say the stylo process. You don't need to be writing it is just write what it means. They don't need your grammar, just give them what they want. Stylo process. No, you know that here's the radial head. Sure you know. Why here is the distal head, proximal head and what? Distal head of the radius. So yeah, you are seeing the olecranon process, the trochlear notch, the coronary process. Though they may not ask you question based on here, they may just ask you the ulnar tuberosity and then the head of the radius. Then the next thing that they may they may ask you again in this bone is they may tell you that what forms between both of them, or what also else these two bones together. You know that is the interosseous what membrane. The what? Interosseous membrane. So now let's continue. Let's go in to the humerus. Remember that this is a very short video just for your steeplechase, nothing else. The humerus, this is where you will not go to their house without seeing, you hardly not see humerus. Now let's talk about what we are saying here. The first of all, this is surgical neck. Surgical neck. They may ask you which nerve passes through this place, or which nerve is more injured through the surgical neck. Now the answer is what? The axillary what? Nerve. The axillary nerve, because it passes through there, is easily what? Injured. Now they may then ask you what part of the What kind of humerus? They may label here now, this place, this capitulum, and ask you where does it articulate. You can say that it articulates with the words. It articulates with the words radius. Why this one, this trochlear notch, it articulates with the words ulna. Then this place is what we call the word supracondylar area. Then yes, deltoid tuberosity. Why? They may then ask you which muscle attaches here. Is the word the deltoid muscle. Hope you are with me. So this is the head, this is the greater and the lesser tubercle. You are seeing the screen. You should know that you don't have to forget the muscle is a must. Know the muscle that attaches at the greater tubercle and the lesser tubercle. Then you are good to go. I think that's all I have to say in this humerus. So now let's go into the next one. What you are seeing here. Well, let me ask you, where does the head of the humerus articulate? It articulates with the word scapula. If you are very sure, you see that it articulates with the word glenoid process of the scapula. The glenoid process of the scapula. Then now this is scapula now, as you can see. Now what is this thing? This is the word acromion process, and they may ask you what articulates at that acromion process. The answer is the what? The clavicle. It articulates there. Now, what kind of joint is formed between this glenoid? They may circle here and tell you what is it called. That is the word glenoid fossa or the glenoid cavity. What does it articulate with? It articulates with the edge of the humerus. And what kind of joint is formed there is the ball and socket joint. They may come and label here what is it called? The subscapular what? Fossa. They may not ask you which muscle is attaching here. You know that you already know that is the what? Subscapular what? Muscle. They may not ask you about all this border and all this stuff. They just go into the landmark. They may come and put the paper here and say identify this. This is the word coracoid process. So there's a notch here. This suprascapular notch. You know that the artery passes through here and also the nerve passes through there. So you have to know this very well. So this is the coracoid process. This is the acromion process. This is the glenoid fossa. These are the major things you have to know here. So let's go in again. This is the clavicle. This is the medial end of the clavicle. Where does it attach? Where does it articulate? It articulates with the what? With the sternum. Sternum is the bone that is around there. That places with the sternum. And what again do you have to know in this place? Okay, let me hear. This is the conoid tubercle. This is the conoid tubercle. So you have to know that this is conoid tubercle. And then this groove, this subclavian groove. You have to know it very well. Like cram here. What you should know in this clavicle is here. Know this acromion process, the conoid tubercle, medial, and then this groove. Know where they are attached. And then I think that is all for today. So this is all I have to talk about in this upper limb steeplechase. So this video is very short. Actually, because of people have to read, know a lot about watching video. Yeah, just to give you a guide. Know that you have just few minutes for this exam. Yes, 30 seconds in a spot. You have to be very, very fast. So I'll be dropping the lower limb too soon. So but now